Hey everybody, welcome back. New product alert, 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 alert. 2019 Contenders draft with, count on 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 autographs. I love this stuff. You've seen me open several boxes of 18 and now 19 is out. So we're gonna get into this. The checklist is solid, lots of good prospects, lots of not so well known people that are not so well known yet, but very well could be. That's part of the appeal of opening a product like this. Another part of the appeal is something known as cracked ice. Those are numbered to 23, but you can also get cards numbered as low as 1 of 1. There are also variations that I think are numbered at 15, which is that championship ticket? I can't remember. But anyways, lots of potential here. Lots and lots and lots. You're not going to find a bunch of inserts, but you will find parallels, you will find rookies, you will find 6 autographs. There's what our packs look like this year. Nice and thick. Is the setup the same as last year? 18 cards per pack, 6 packs per box. Yeah, it sounds about right. Alright, let's do this. Last year's autographs were around the middle of the pack, so probably be the same. Alright, here we go. Andrew Vaughn Legacy. Maybe they mixed it up this year. It looks a little bit different. Bryson Stott Game Day Ticket. School Colors, Josh Jung. Cameron Meisner Game Day Ticket. Riley Greene School Colors. Wilson Legacy. Braden Shoemake School Colors. JJ Blade, that's fun to say. School Colors, Cody House. And the first autograph is Greg Jones, and it is a prospect ticket autograph to 99. So, off to a good start. Then we have Bryson Stott, Joey Bart, Frank Thomas, Casey Mize, Adley Rushman, Reggie Jackson, Hunter Bishop, and Alec Manoah. So, very interesting. Alright, here we go. Cody House again. CJ Abrams. Legacy Bobby Witt Jr. Andrew Vaughn School Color. Oh, I see a redemption. Who's it gonna be? Will Wilson Game Day Ticket. Zach Thompson School Colors. Let's skip on past and then we'll save that last of this pack anyway. Cameron Meisner, Andrew Vaughn, Nico Horner, Cody House, Nick Lodolo? That's even funner to say. Lodolo. Josh Jung, Logan Wyatt, Nick Lodolo, Adley Rushman, Logan Wyatt, and Braden Shoemake, and what do we have? Yeah. RPS Draft Building Blocks Ticket. Card number 5, Riley Greene. So what is the RPS Draft Building Blocks Ticket? And I'm a little bit confused about this. I don't know if you can see this. Where it says sport, it says basketball. I thought I was opening a box of baseball cards. Oh, Panini. You guys are so silly. You're so wacky. So wacky. Seriously, they need to get their crap together. That's stupid. Alright, Langoliers. Bobby Witt Jr. School Colors. Michael Bush Game Day Ticket. Josh Jung Legacy. Logan Davidson Game Day. there is something there that's shiny. Oh my lord, it says 101. Hang on. Rushman, Manoa, Bishop, and Andrew Vaughn. Legacy 101. I don't know if you can see it. There we go. Got it in the light. I'll be darned. I wish this was an autograph. Still pretty cool, isn't it? It's funny that they're making 101s of these inserts or whatever. Huh. Andrew Vaughn's a good prospect, so that's cool. Alright, next up we have Randy Florentino. Prospect ticket autograph. And then we're going to finish out with Wenzel, Bush, Wilson, Logan Davidson, Jonathan India, Zach Thompson, Blade, and Langoliers. Alright. Bryson Stott, Josh Jones, Cameron Meisner. Of course, you're going to notice by now a lot of these repeat. They're just on different forms of the card. Riley Greene, Nolan Gorman Legacy, Shoemake Game Day Ticket, Blade School Colors. Here is a Jonathan India Parallel Draft Ticket to 99. Next up, Matt Cantorino. That is a prospect ticket to 99. So far, no on-card autographs, although I can't say for sure whether or not the redemption will be. Langoliers, Stott, Bart, Frank Thomas, Mize, Rushman, Reggie, Bishop, Manoa. Alright, pack number 5. Nothing too exciting. I mean, I'm sure the card that is the redemption will be nice, but again, I mean, how excited can you get when you're just looking at a little white piece of cardboard right now? Abrams Game Day, Riley Greene Legacy. That is the second or third one of those I've seen. Andrew Vaughn Game Day Ticket. Will Wilson School Colors, Zach Thompson Game Day, Ladolo School Colors, Langoliers Legacy, Logan White School Colors. Here is Dominic Fletcher, Isaiah Campbell. Look at that. Dual Cracked Ice Auto. That is numbered, trying to see the number. Looks like maybe 18 out of 23. Still not in the light. It's pretty sweet. Not only is it cracked ice, but dual auto. Nice. Alright, that's something to get excited about. Shoemake season ticket. Shoemake. Cameron Meisner, Andrew Vaughn, Horner, Hoos, Ladolo, Jung, Wyatt, and Madrigal. Madrigal's one I like. Alright, last pack. Apparently Panini likes Adley Rushman. They think he's gonna be good, because he is on the product. Alright, Langoliers, Bobby Witt Jr., Michael Bush School Colors. There's Rushman. So who does he play for? Missouri, I think that is. Logan Davidson. There's Rushman again. What does that say? Oh, Oregon State. I would have sworn that was the Missouri Tiger. Actually, now that I look at it, it might be a beaver. Manoa, Hunter Bishop, and the last autograph is Will Wilson. And that is an on-card autograph. Madrigal, Wenzel, Bush, Wilson, Davidson, India, Thompson, Blade, and Langoliers. Alright, let's do a little quick recap. There's my, let me straighten up my stack of goodies gingerly here so I don't ding any corners. So there is all the base, and I guess you'd call them inserts. I didn't look at the numbers to see if they're actually inserts or subsets. They looked insert-like, but I'm not 100% sure. Alright, so Riley Greene, which is a good prospect, but who knows how long it's going to take me to get my hands on that card. Will Wilson on card. The good-looking cracked ice dual connections. Dominic Fletcher, Isaiah Campbell. Cantorino /99 sticker auto. The Jonathan India, just regular parallel /99. Randy Florentino. Oh yeah, I forgot about this already. The Andrew Vaughn 101. Still pretty cool. And Greg Jones /99. That's it. I haven't ordered it yet, but I may get one more of these. I wanted to see what it looked like before I committed to a second box, but it's kind of hard to argue with any product that has 6 autographs, especially if you know, like prospects and rookies and whatnot. So pretty cool. Thanks so much for watching, guys. Hope you're doing well. I know things are crazy. Some of you probably emailed me. I promise you I will get back to you as soon as I possibly can. I didn't forget about you. I didn't stop caring about you. I'm just crazy busy right now. Everybody take care. See you soon. Bye.